Okay then, so full Ryobi SDS, the proper one, and the compact one, the new one, brushless HP. It's probably got only a third of the power of the big one. Let's see how they will perform. Well, so clearly the bigger one is quicker and, well, it's heavier as well, but I was trying to push them equally with the same force, but the difference, as you can see, it's quite clear. And I did it, what, 5 times the test, 6 times? So it's a clear winner. However, I would not dismiss this one. I really like this one for homework, for jobs, small jobs at home, as it gives me more control. And this one, the big one, is kind of too powerful sometimes. It just bounces off quite a lot, whereas this one kind of goes nicely. There is no bounce back, so I have more control, more precision. So if precision is more important than the speed, then this is your clear winner. Now this is a bit number 8. If you need something bigger, maybe 12, 14, etc., then probably you need to use the big one anyway. But this one is a good one for home, for homework, some kind of occasional no, not the homework. What do we say? Housework, for any housework, DIY, drilling just a few holes, 10 holes a day, you know, with control. This one is actually better than this one, the proper big one, and it's much lighter by 1 kilogram. Especially the handle itself with this depth measure is 1/4 of a kilogram. So, well, we can remove the handle, we can put the handle on this one as well, and it fits. It hasn't been designed for that, but the handle fits. So it could be swapped, and then this one becomes a bit heavier as well. I like this one. I really like this one, you know. So there are scenarios in which this one is better. There are scenarios in which I prefer this one, you know. So you decide. Okay, it's definitely not going as well as the big one, but it's going. So the final summary. So if I were to compare them, and ultimately I would say they're both good and they both serve a purpose. If you can only afford one, get the bigger one just in case. It's got the chisel option. This one doesn't, maybe because it's not strong enough. I don't know, but the older model has the chisel option. So I don't know, doesn't matter. If you can afford both, yeah, get both. Or if you think you just need some smaller jobs every now and then, the small one will do the job. And so other differences is the weight. So this one is almost 2.7 kilograms with the handle and this depth measure, which is made of metal, whereas this one is 1.5 kilograms. So 1.2, almost 1.2 kilograms difference. That's a lot. Even if we remove the handle, so which is like 1/4 of the kilogram, that's still almost 1 kilogram difference. So this one, the small one, I can kind of hold it with one hand against the wall somewhere, whereas this one will be quite difficult after a moment. I can hold it, but I can feel like it's getting heavy and might be difficult to hold it steadily and push it forward. Whereas with this one, quite easily I can just hold it and push it forward easily. Also this one will, the drawback is that this one, if you put it down like this, it will not stand, it will fall forward, unfortunately, whether it's with a battery or without, it will just fall forward. Whereas this one, it will stand if the handle, but it needs the handle. If the handle is there, it will stand like this, or with the battery there, it will stand, it will not fall. Without the handle, it will unfortunately fall as well. So you can move the handle to this one as well, but it's not really necessary. And as I said, I've been using this for small holes, kind of delicate drilling, and I like it because it gives me more control. I can feel it better, and it doesn't shake so much, doesn't damage the wall, doesn't make the hole too big, you know, which is sometimes very important in tricky situations. So this is a preferred tool for me for housework, DIY, etc. Whereas this one is a kind of a general use, and it's great, you know, it's quite powerful. So you decide. Amazon UK is running now this really cool thing, so check on your Amazon wherever you are in the world. I was able to buy it for only £100. It was sold by Amazon US, but on the Amazon UK. So I paid £100 and that's it. They sorted all the VAT, duty, customs, etc. And so that's a great deal. Link below.